In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animation and effects in Wix. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to bring your website elements to life with smooth, engaging motion that still looks clean and professional. Let's start from your Wix editor. Make sure you're on the page where you want to add animation. Look over your layout and decide which elements you actually want to animate. This could be text, images, buttons, or other individual sections. A good rule of thumb is to animate only the elements you really want to highlight, so your site doesn't feel overwhelming or distracting. Now, click on the element you want to animate. When you select it, you'll see a small toolbar or settings panel appear next to or above the element. This is where you can change things like design, layout, and of course, animations and effects. In that toolbar, look for the icon or option labeled Animation or Effects. Go ahead and click on that animation and effects icon. This will open a panel or window showing you a list of available animations. Depending on your version of the editor, you might see categories like fade, foliage, slide, zoom, or more dynamic entrances and attention-grabbing effects. Take a moment to scroll through the options. As you hover over or click on each one, you'll usually see a live preview applied to your selected element right on the canvas. This is really useful because you can instantly see how the animation will look without publishing the site. Once you've browsed a bit, select the animation that best fits the style of your website. For example, a simple fade in is great for a clean, modern look, while a more energetic slide or bounce can work well for creative or playful brands. After you select it, look for any additional settings that may appear, such as duration, delay, or direction. If these controls are available, adjust them so the movement feels smooth and not too fast or too slow. When you're happy with the animation, preview your site using the preview button in the editor. Watch how the element behaves as the page loads or as you scroll. If something feels off, just go back, click on the element, reopen the animation and effects icon, and refine your choice or timing. Repeat the same process for any other elements you want to animate, keeping everything consistent with your overall design. Once everything looks good in preview, you're ready